Hi, welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about how to use Instagram for beginners. What's covered in this video? Getting the app, Instagram profile, Instagram feed and homepage, following account, options on post and profiles, creating your own post with multiple pictures, and shopping on Instagram. Getting the app. First, if you don't have the app, go ahead and download Instagram. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms. For this tutorial, I will be using an Android device, but it still should be similar in iOS. Go ahead and install it if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, go ahead and click Open. Here, you have the option to sign up with Facebook and email or a phone number. If you already have an account, you can just log in. I already have an account, so I will just log in. Profile. The first thing you see when you log in is your feed. Assuming you've already done the basic setup, I'll start with the Profile tab in the bottom right corner. Here, you can see how many posts, followers, and number of people you follow. To the left of that is your profile picture. If you click it, you can either take a new picture or upload one from your device gallery. If you click Edit Profile, here you'll also have the option to add or change your profile photo. Things to consider are to make sure your profile fits within the circle. The exact size of your profile picture has to be 110 by 110 pixels. Next, choose your name, username, website. For me, I'm a YouTuber, so I'll put my YouTube channel link. And you only get one link, so, just put something you'd want people to go to. Lastly, your bio. Let people know more about you. And you have the option to use hashtags to help more people find you based on your type of profile. You also have the option to switch over to a professional account if you're setting up a business account. Lastly, you would enter some private information like email, phone number, and gender. When you're done, press confirm. Also, in your profile, you can see your story highlights in any of your posts. If you click the person portrait icon, you'll see when people tag you in photos and videos, and click the grid icon to go back to your post. If you click the three horizontal lines to the top right, you can see Stories Archive. Your stories, your history of Instagram use, your name tag, which is a feature that makes it easier for friends to follow you. They would simply scan it. You can also see any saved posts. Your shopping bag from any shopping you do on Instagram, and you can also see a close friends list or discover new people. Instagram feed homepage. Now, I'm going to go back to the homepage by clicking the house icon to the bottom left corner. When you follow people, business, celebrities, etc., they'll show up on your homepage. And you can simply scroll down or up to view posts or look to the top for stories. Instagram stories will show to the top. Stories are basically photos or videos up to 15 seconds that disappear 24 hours after posting. You can click to view stories you're interested in viewing. Following accounts. Now, if you're not already following anyone, you can click the search magnifying glass. From here, you can scroll up and down to see if you're interested in following anyone. If not, click the search bar to the top and you'll see the top suggested accounts to follow. Then, if you click accounts, more suggested will come up. If you want to search hashtags, which is basically a word or phrase preceded by a hash mark or number sign, it's used within a message to identify a keyword or topic of interest and facilitate a search for it. Whenever a user adds a hashtag to their post, it's able to be indexed by the social network and becomes searchable or discoverable by other users. In the inbox, you would simply put your hashtag, then key phrase or word and click search. Or, lastly, you can search for locations. If you want to follow people in your city or another specific place. One thing to know about Instagram is the more you use the app, it becomes more customized with suggested accounts to follow. Once you find an account you want to follow, simply click on it and look to the top and click follow. Options on posts and profiles. Okay, so I am back to the home page and here is the account I just followed. Here you can see how many likes and other comments are on the post. On a post, the options I have are to double tap or click the heart to like. Simply click the heart again if you want to undo your like. Click the chat bubble to view and leave comments. Click the airplane icon to direct message the account you follow. Instagram direct messages people following or not following in video chat. Options on profile. On the top of the Instagram post, you'll see who the other user is. Click the username and you can see their profile picture. If you change your mind, you can unfollow or you can message. See other posts, website info, and any info on contacting the person if they have it available. Other types of posts. There are basically 4 different types of posts you can make on Instagram: photos, videos, stories, and IGTV. Before posting, something to keep in mind are the size and requirements of Instagram. Pictures should be either 1080 by 1080, 1080 by 608, or 1080 by 1350. Videos should be 600 by 600, 600 by 315, or 600 by 750. Stories should be 1080 by 1920. IGTV should be 420 by 654. That's basically for the cover. Creating your own post. To create your own post, click the plus sign on the bottom of your app. This will bring you to the section where you can choose from your photo and video gallery or take a new photo or video. I'm going to take a random photo. And after you take your photo, you have the ability to choose a filter for your photo. And as you can see, there's actually a variety to choose from. You can also edit the picture by adjusting the zoom, brightness, contrast, and a variety of other options to your liking. Once you're satisfied with your photo, you can click Done to save. To the top right corner, click Next. And here's where you can enter your photo caption and hashtags. Hashtags allow people to see, discover, or find your post. You can have up to 30 hashtags. Next, you can tag people. Tap your photo, and if it were a person, you would search for their name and select them and click the blue check mark when you're done tagging. You can also add a location, which helps people find you if they're looking for a location. One other option is the ability to share your posts to other social media platforms. The available options are Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Right below the social media option, you have the option to change advanced settings for your posts, Here, you can turn off commenting, automatically share all of your posts to Facebook, write alternate tags, tag a business partner for branded partnerships, and allow a business partner to promote your posts, and edit your close friends list. Once you're done with all of your settings and are ready to post to Instagram, look to the top right corner and click share. Wait for your post to load, and that's pretty much it for posting. Now, if you decide that you don't like or want to keep your post, you can simply delete it by clicking the three dots to the top right corner of your post and then click delete. Creating your own post with multiple pictures. If you are in the gallery tab and you click on the infinity symbol, it gives you the option to try something called Boomerang from Instagram, which allows you to make mini videos. If you click the middle icon that looks like a picture layout, you can combine your photos into one post and then share it. And if you click the multiple post icon at the end, you can share up to 10 photos at one time where users can scroll through the pictures from your post. And this is called a photo carousel post. Now, of course, you simply want to post just one photo. Once you have your photo or photos selected, you would simply click next, and in the next screen, you can apply filters to your photo or keep it as the original. You can also click on edit to adjust a variety of other options, and once your photo looks the way that you want it to, you can simply click next. Then, fill out the caption and enter your hashtags. Tag people at a location, share to other social media platforms, and edit your settings. After you have entered everything, you would go ahead and click share. Wait for your post to upload, and that's it. It basically shows on your profile, and this is how other people see the post. And of course, if you don't want or like the post, you have the option to delete it. Shopping on Instagram. One feature of Instagram that you may not know about is the ability to shop on the app. One way to get there is to go to your shopping bag by clicking your profile, the three horizontal bars to the top right. Then, once you get to your shopping bag, click Start Shopping. You can browse brands, photos, and videos that are offering products for sale. Once you find out what you're interested in, click it, and it will bring you to the product page. Here you can browse and select and proceed to checkout, where you would then just enter your delivery information and check out. Well, thanks for watching How to Use Instagram for Beginners. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.